What's up, YouTube? We have two new friends here, Anthony and
We're looking
Jackie.
for a black bear, aka about 600 pounds.
This is the bear print. You're stupid.
Oh, guys,
Wait, that was my footprint.
that was your footprint.
I think so.
Oh, okay, okay.
Cause I am a 9.5er.
Wow.
Real big.
I don't know.
Like,
It looks like a dinosaur more.
You look like.
what are you doing?
It's not.
What is
obscene.
this?
It's from Area 51, which is where we are right now. And if you swim in the lake,
It's
go down
black.
far enough, there's another lake, but it's not another lake. It's where the aliens live.
Yo.
Theories. Ants theories.
theory.
This is supposed to be a car channel, but
It is a car channel.
but
We drove our cars to get
You
here.
never watched.
yeah, we
Back-
drove our cars to get here. Yeah, she's right.
You never watched Back to the Future?
What about Back to the Future?
Doesn't it? Oh no, that's Grand Theft Auto.
Wait, what?
The wheels turn sideways. You can drive on water.
Oh, yo. So that's what we're here. We're investigating the drivability of this water. So we're done with the lake now, and we're gonna go pick up my brother from school. And then after that, we're going to meet up with Brandon and doing a little review for his mom's Q50. Okay, so what we're doing is we are meeting Brandon, and we're going to his driving mall, as he calls it. Basically, the reason he calls it that is because it's like a network of back roads that he just picks and chooses which ones he wants to drive on whatever day. And there's a very good chicane there, which he says is the benchmark for any car. So this is what happens when we go to meet with Brandon. He's just doing donuts in rocks.
He stopped.
Keep going. Do it again. Oh, here he goes. Yep, this is what happens when Brandon gets to locations before you.
Oh my god.
Yep. And this is why we don't like to drive with him. But it's fun to film.
I let him drive my car. Alright guys, we're here filming.
So we're gonna do a report about this car. I think we should do a meteorology report along the way. Now, it was very warm out today. It was about 50 something, 60, 40, 46, I don't know, degrees. It was warm. It was great. I was in a park. I was doing work. I was on a bench. I was outside. I wasn't wearing a jacket. My shirt was naked. My shirt was naked with me underneath it. But it was warm. Now it's not. Life's a bitch.
David.
Okay, so we're done filming with Brandon. Gonna start putting that together now.
Yeah, so I'm trying to change the channel right now, guys, but it's not working.
Yeah, we just got cable back, and we have Optimum, and Hannah Rae has Fios, and she doesn't know how to use Optimum. Alright, so I'm over here editing, and everyone just came over, and it's like a little party going on.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Well, your Wi-Fi password was wrong.
It was wrong? You're in the vlog, yeah.
No.
So it's literally been an hour and a half, and we still haven't decided what movie to watch.
So
Alright, we finally decided to watch Cabin Fever. Don't even know what it's about.
You should tell some.
Adios, pendejos. Okay, so everyone's gone for the night. We finished the movie, and it's like 12 o'clock now. And it was supposed to start snowing, but it hasn't snowed yet. But school's canceled tomorrow, so I'm gonna spend the day home with Rae, probably editing and stuff. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.